Hello guys, Valentine here for Graded Picture Playground. If this is your first time on this channel, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get notified when new video is uploaded. In this tutorial, I want to show you the Essential Sound panel, how it works. To locate the Essential Sound panel, all you do is click on Window, then below the Essential Graphics, you locate the Essential Sound. Click on the Essential Sound, then the panel would open. First thing first, before going to the Essential Sound, we need to place a clip on the track. So practically, we are working on the audio. When you click on it, you see that the information under the Essential Sound displays. So you have the dialogue, you have the music, you have the sound effects, you have the ambient. The dialogue is the conversation that individuals are having. If you want to work on the dialogue, that is when you click on the dialogue. If you're working on music like soundtrack that you want to place underneath your dialogue, then you click on this music. Then if it's sound effects like thunderclaps and so on, you hit on your sound effects to get that worked on. Each of them has different panels. So let's take, for instance, we open up the dialogue. Under the dialogue, you see that there are 4 options that you need to select from, which is the creative, clarity, repair, and loudness. When you click on the loudness, you have the auto match option. The essence of this auto match option is to have a leveled up audio so that you don't have some areas with high pitch and some other areas with low pitch. So the broadcast standard is to ensure that you have a stable frequency. It is either is high or low, not having some pitches in between conversation getting higher than others. So it should maintain a stable frequency. So that is the broadcast rule. So if you want to apply it on this, you can see that in this very clip, if you look at this audio part, this white section, you see that there are places that has high pitch and low pitch. So when you hit on this auto match, you wait, so you see that it has blended up everything, and you look at the audio indicator, you see it's taking that level. Everything remains on that. So let's undo it. Let's play and see what happens. You see how it goes now.
Which of the one am I taking?
I don't like it at all. Look at what you did there.
And another part is lower, so it doesn't make it standard. You see how it was going up with higher pitch. Another part is so when you auto match, it blends it and you have a frequency that is normal. So that is the essence of this auto match under the loudness. You come to your repair. This is where you, if you have noise and at the background that you want to remove, you just click on this icon, then you work on your controls, you get it removed. Reduce rumble, so any kind of noise, these are for repairs. Then you come to your clarity. Then this is where you're talking about the dynamics. You have the creative. This is where you're talking about which area is your dialogue taking place. Is it in an auditorium, church, large reflective room, and so on and so forth? Is it taking voice that you want? Is it warm room? Is it warm voice? So whatever of the presets that you want, you can now highlight it and use the control. I'm not going in depth. I just want to show you the features that are present there. We come to the music part. This is the music. You now see the features that are present are 3. We're talking about the loudness, which means that in music, you still need to have that broadcast standard. Then you have the duration. Then you have your docking. In subsequent tutorial, I will be showing you the essence of docking, what docking does when you are editing your project. So that is that. Now when you come to your sound effects, so you see that 3 options are available. The loudness, which still means that you need to maintain that broadcast by auto matching it. Then you have your pan, you have your creative. to think of whether reverb, light reverbs. These are for effects. So you can see the features that are present here are essentially for effects. So you come to your ambience. So you see the informations that are available are just 3: stereo width, so which means the wideness of your stereo. How do you want it broadened out? Do you want it narrowed down, or do you want it wide? You see what kind of ambience is it: large room ambience, outside ambience, room ambience, wind effect. So you see what categories falls under the ambience. In subsequent tutorial, I will be showing you how docking works. If you've not seen tutorial on how to use the audio panel, hit the notification icon to watch that tutorial on how to use the audio panel. I am Valentine Ose. See you in our next tutorial.